So today I have this 2024 Volvo VNL. This is a 760 model, 2024 model year, if I am correct. See, I mean built on 2023, but it's a 2024. Big number right there, and it has 60,000 miles, 64,000 miles. Let me focus on it so you can see. Yeah, 64,000 miles, and pretty low mileage. But I'm going to show you this. I'm using the atros software to connect to the Volvo diagnostic link. Plug, and you can clearly see the faults, and we have this is supposed to be a brand new truck, so it doesn't have to have any problems, of course, but we have one problem here. I think it is low fuel, something related to the fuel pressure, and we have another one. I think it's related to the fuel pressure, and then we have something about the oil temperature. Starter motor deactivated, it says right here. That's the other fault code, and we have a bunch more. See, timeout. We have this one too, faulty. Let me quote. We have some gear selections. We have transmission faults as well. And we have lighting and all that. See, transmission problem, lighting modules and all that. So well, the reason why I'm doing this video is to show you. Oh, and we have after treatment system right here. See that. The reason why I'm doing this video is to show you that these newer trucks are having so many problems, even though they're brand new. They're not very well made, I suppose, because we only have 64,000 miles. I will expect these from a truck that has 200, maybe 300,000 miles. I don't know what's going on with the quality of these new trucks. Don't understand what's happening with these newer trucks. If it's just because they're using lower quality parts to build these trucks, or simply they are thinking of making profit out of these trucks because they're breaking very fast, to be honest. So I'll give you an idea. So see, this is a 2012 Freightliner Cascadia. This Cascadia was known to be a very bad truck because of the emission system. This specific truck right here, this one is running with the original engine, the original SCR box, the original transmission, the original everything, because the owner bought it brand new, 2012. And until now, the SCR box is starting to giving him problems, like very serious problems, and the SCR box cannot be repaired, it needs to be replaced. But the engine and transmission is still running fine. But I doesn't mean that they will be running fine forever. It has 1 million miles on it, and he hasn't replaced injector, he hasn't replaced EGR bolts or anything like that. This truck has been pretty good, to be honest. And they don't have the quality like this anymore, because people used to complain that before trucks with 200,000 miles, 300,000 miles giving you problems. So you can see these trucks nowadays, these brand new trucks, 2023, 2024, they already here at the shop because they're having problems. And the reason why they're here at the shop is because they don't want to take it to the dealer, because the dealer is going to take so much time to fix this truck. Then they don't want to go through the hassle to waiting that much unless it's completely necessary. But the way I see it is then it will be better to take it to the dealer because it's possible then we have a leaking injector, we have a bad fuel injector, because usually when you get cars like this, usually it's bad fuel injectors. And it's possible that we have an emission system problem right here. So I'm not sure. I mean, like the thing is, like the truck is not giving any type of warning lights. We have the temperature light on. It's because we were doing regen, and that's the reason why that light is on. So let's see the temperature. See, the temperature is a little high still, so it's not going to go away. See, we have the display right here for the light. But this is something that I don't understand. I mean, why manufacturers are shipping out, or simply they're not caring about customers when they build these trucks. They building low quality trucks, and it's not just Volvo, also Freightliner, also KW, Peterbilt, International. Well, International is known to have problems, but we all think that Volvo is a good brand. We all think that Freightliner is a good brand. We all think that kenworth is a good brand. So see that, an example, that kenworth, that's 2016, original engine, original transmission. That is a 2012 engine was repaired, but just the cylinder head. So just to give you an idea of how good engines were before, now new engines are really bad, and mostly it's because of the emission system. Emission system has taken place to reduce the amount of gases that have been released for the engine. So they are pressurizing the engine so much that the engine cannot take that much work, because now the engine has to be capable to give you fuel economy that is good, a good emission system, and it has to be lightweight. So those three things are killing the engines. Before, with the older engines, we didn't have that problem. So before, we just had the engine on the frame and the transmission, differentials, and that was it. But with these newer systems, engines are definitely going like very bad very soon, because the engine is no longer just a power plant. Now the engine has to be able to clean itself by the emissions, so compliance with emission cleaning, and also has to be light enough to be mounted on these heavy trucks so they can be loaded with heavy load, because that is the situation. That's the reason why trucks and in general, they are getting plastic pieces everywhere. See, plastic, fiber, plastic. The reason why they're getting that is because everything is heavier. Now we have an emission box on the side. On this side we have an emission box. On this side we have the DEF tank, and that's something that we didn't have before. We have more components, more hoses that connect the emission system. We have more computers that control the emission system. We have more engine components to control the emission system. So engines need to be lighter because trucks are getting heavier because of the components. And I believe that that's one of the reasons why the quality is dying out on these trucks. The quality on these newer trucks is like not very nice right now, and it seems like it's getting worse every day. I heard stories about brand new 2023, 2024 cascadias with engine failure, major engine failures with 2,000, 3,000 miles. I have stories too with brand new Volvos with injector problems, brand new, and those are $6,000, $7,000 job. And I mean, like, it's not something that I will think that is normal, because these are brand new trucks. I mean, you're supposed to use a truck at least 300, 4,000 miles, 400,000 miles until you get a problem. Before that, it should be okay because it's a brand new truck. Even manufacturers, they give you 100,000 miles warranty because they know the trucks are good, so they won't give you any problem. But these trucks don't even have 100,000 miles and they start giving you problems. That is something that is happening nowadays. So I don't know how this is going to be in the future, because these are going to be the future used trucks. So within 5 years from now, 2024 trucks will be used trucks. So can you imagine how good this, if this truck is brand new and it's already giving problems, can you imagine how many problems it's going to give you once it gets to 500,000 miles? It's going to be really bad. So that is just for the future owner operators to see this video. Then the quality of the newer trucks is not going to be better, especially for the used market. And I don't know how this industry, which is the trucking industry, is going to behave within 5 to 10 years from now, because the quality of the new trucks is bad, which means that the quality of the used trucks within 5 years is going to be bad. So let's expect that this is going to be something that manufacturers are going to solve, and if they don't solve, mechanics and owner operators have to deal with it until they get it right. And if not, this industry is going to be like a waste of money, because you're gonna buy a truck and you're gonna spend money trying to keep this truck over the road, and the truck is not gonna make any money, any profit to you, and that will not be worth the effort to buy a truck so you can have your own authorities and use it to get some money on your way. But this is just a little point of view I have. I've been seeing trucks lately, new trucks, they have problems, but I don't know about you. If you have any situations and you have seen new trucks with problems, comment below. I think you will help many people with these videos. I will help many people with the video, and you will help also many people with your comments. So just comment below. Anything else you want to add, just comment below. Anything about these new trucks and are very crappy, I will say. Follow me on Instagram, franciscoamaya YouTube. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you for watching, and I hope you like these videos.